What's up, y'all? It's another episode of Shoe Talk. I'm the Maverick, and today we'll be unboxing the Air Jordan Olympic 6s. Alright, before I unbox the 6s, I do have a pair of the Paris Olympic 4s right here. I did a video already on these, so be sure to check those out. They are both releasing for the Olympics this year. As you can see, this is what the box looks like. It has like to me it looks like fireworks. So yeah. The size tag reads white varsity red. Alright. Same thing on the box is on the paper. Double wrapped. We have the white and navy color blocking on the shoe, the icy blue bottom. I'm not sure if the original pair had that. I think it was white, but I'm not too sure on that. Got the blue spoiler. Then on the tongue, we have that red, varsity red color. We also have it on the back too, and on the bottom. I really like them. They originally released in 2000 for the Sydney Olympics. It was a very, very limited drop. I believe they said that Ray Allen was one of the basketball players that actually wore this shoe in the Olympic Games. And then they re-released in 2012. It was like a bigger release so more people could get them. I believe it's the same shoe, like nothing changed on the shoe. I'm not too sure about the bottom, like I said, but I believe it's the same way. I really like these. I'm not a big fan of 6s, but I do like the colorway. I like navy. I like the white. The red is a nice touch on it. They are releasing in full family sizing, so everybody gets a chance to get them. I think it's a nice shoe to get. I think it's a really, really nice shoe to get. These and the 4s. But I think I would put these over the 4s. I just like the colors a lot better. And the gray is a little too much for me. So I definitely would cop these. Yeah, this is one of your latest Jordans. Got a nice smell to it. New shoe smell. But yeah, make sure y'all go and cop these. Make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe to the video and the channel. This has been another episode of Shoe Talk with Shoeroom. Let me know what y'all think about these shoes in the comments. Let me know which one y'all would put. Would y'all do the 6s or would y'all do the 4s? Like I said, I'm putting 6s over 4s. It's a classic shoe and it looks better. So, but let me know what y'all think. What y'all rocking with for the summer and back to school, because that time is coming up. But like I said, we wrapping up this video. Make sure y'all support the page. Get y'all shoes. Let me know what y'all get. Peace.